Hi everyone and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the song Everybody Dies in Their Nightmares by XXXTENTACION. As you have seen, we're going to mix our chords with a little bit of percussion on the guitar and we're going to play it in standard tuning. So just tune your guitar and let's begin. We're going to start playing an E flat major 7, and that's putting the index finger on the 6th fret 5th string, the ring finger on the 7th fret 3rd string, the pinky finger on the 8th fret 2nd string, and middle finger on the 6th fret 1st string. With the right hand we play the thumb on the 5th string, and then we take the index, middle finger and ring finger on the 3 first strings, and we play those 4 strings at the same time. And right after we play the chord, we start with the percussion on the guitar, and we are going to use 2 different sounds. One where we imitate the drum kick and we hit with the thumb on the bottom of the guitar, and the other one is with the rest of the fingers and we're going to hit on the side of the guitar, and there we try to imitate the snare on the drums. Okay, but after the first chord, we play the chord, we're going to hit 4 times on the kick, and right after the 4th hit we're going to play the snare. Okay? And that measure is like a really short intro. After that, we're going to move the index finger 1 fret. In that way, we get a G minor with a D on the bass. We play the same strings with the right hand. Right after the chord, we have only 1 kick and 1 snare. You get it? After that, we're going to strum the brighter strings, but with a really short tone, like this. As soon as we play the strings, we're going to lift the fingers, so in that way we get that rest. So the first chord sounds like this. Okay? After that, we're going to play a D minor 7, and that's the index finger stays on the same place, and we put the middle finger on the 5th fret 3rd string, pinky finger 6th fret 2nd string, and ring finger on the 5th fret 1st string. The right hand plays again the same strings. And this time we're going to play only the chord, kick and snare. Okay, and then we get the second measure. It sounds like this. Play one more time. You get it? After that, we're going to move the same position on the left hand. We move it to the 3rd fret, and then we get the C minor 7. And we play exactly as we did on the D minor 7. So the chord, a kick, and the snare. So when I put together second measure and the first chord of the 3rd measure, sounds like this. Okay, and now we can try to play that part together. The measure 2 and the first chord of the 3rd measure. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. 3, and. Perfect, and there we arrive to the end of the third measure, and we have to play that C minor 7 one more time, just an 8th note. So we play and we lift the fingers to get a rest. Then we move to the D minor 7 and we do the same, an 8th note and the rest. So there, when we put together the measure 2 and 3, sounds like this. And we just have to keep repeating the second and third measure. Now let's try to play it together, the measure 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, and. Now let's try again, and we repeat. We play it 2 times. Measure 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. Okay, so now we can try with the first measure as well. We play the first measure, second, third, and we repeat second, third. Do you have the first chord? 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. And that was Everybody Dies in Their Nightmares by XXXTENTACION. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please write me a comment or give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs for the song, you're going to find them in my website easyguitartube.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.